Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anupama, Consultant Pediatric Intensivist at Rainbow Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Just look at this statement. Children need children's ICU. Children are not small adults. Their bodies are growing and their immune system is so immature that they're very much vulnerable to serious infections leading to sepsis, which is severe infection in the blood, and developing major critical illness following trauma and poisoning. In our unit annually, every year we see around 200 to 250 children with multi-organ failure. In medical terms, we call this as MODS or multi-organ dysfunction syndrome, where we see children having more than 2 organ failures. Many times we see children admitting for severe pneumonia, they have an associated kidney failure, they have infection in the liver, and the same bacteria virus causing infection in the brain. So these children with multi-organ failure during their critical times need advanced organ support therapies. We provide advanced organ support therapies in our ICU. In medical terms, advanced organ support therapies are called as extracorporeal therapies. What is extracorporeal therapies? These are treatments which are provided outside the body. A cannula is placed in one of the major vessels, either in the leg or in the neck, and the blood is made to pass through specialized filters. With the help of specialized machine, the blood is purified, the abnormal toxins, metabolites, waste products are removed, and the blood is again returned back to the body. So the different types of advanced organ support therapies provided by our ICU are CRRT, which is a form of continuous slow dialysis. We provide CRRT for children with severe infections, kidney failure, multi-organ failure. It is a form of slow and a gentle dialysis which helps in removing abnormal waste products, metabolites, toxins, as well as excess water from the body. We have done CRRT for the smallest of the small child, and we can also provide CRRT with a weight as low as 1.5 to 2 kilos with the help of special filters designed for small babies. We also provide plasmapheresis, which is also a form of a blood purification therapy for severe multi-organ dysfunction and various other critical disorders in the ICU. So this is a therapy where blood is removed from the body, passed through a special cartridge, the blood is purified and returned back to the body, and it is replaced with fresh frozen plasma and albumin. We are proud to be one of the largest children's ICU in this country, providing these advanced organ support therapies. We are committed at Rainbow Banjara PICU to provide the best of the medical treatment with expertise and compassion. Advanced organ support therapies in the most critical moments, because we believe that every child deserves a fighting chance.